Thought I'd record a quick video to document where I'm up to with the car. Since the last video I have got it up on wheels. Everything's standard, so the car's going to sit up high like a four-wheel drive, but oh well. Steering rack, need to do the boot ties, but that's all been reconditioned. And got a few components in up there. I just recently did that brake warning light switch. Took a short video of it as well, how it works. I just completed one side for the calipers. I'm still waiting for shims for the other side. And I did the lines just now. Almost finished with the underneath. Of course all the hard lines are done. I've just used shrink wrap for these tabs. I might try and find something better for the engine bay because you can see the writing on these. So I did it so when you fold that you can't, but still. Handbrake. Just waiting for a nice clean handbrake. I haven't found a decent one. The diff is in, it's been reconditioned and it's in. I've got it sitting on the rear position. Of course this is a 1970, so it used to sit up to about there. But the mustache bar that I had was one of the bent ones, so it's been put into the rear position. This transverse link is the wrong one. I've got one ready to be painted. That's going to go in because you can see how close that comes. That other one just curves out. Need to paint that, but otherwise everything is in and ready. I have done the half axles as well, the half shafts. Just taking one side off to show you. That's the rear drum, new cylinders, new everything in here, shoes. So yeah, it's coming along. I do have the fuel tank ready to go in. Got the fuel filler. I was just trying to figure out if I could find this hose. It's really difficult to find that. It's for the Aussie, the right-hand drive cars. Transmission is also ready. It's been reconditioned. That's the 71A. And that's the drum. The engine, that's my spare engine. The matching numbers engine has gone in for refurbishment. That's going to take a while. And here's the half shafts. I've just got the clamps, the band clamps, that they've got to go in. Otherwise, we are moving on. I've just started the interior. I've just done enough. Sorry, it's up on the hoist, so I'll just show you like that. It's a tunnel trim. I've just done enough so that I can get the dash in, which is sitting over here. And that's been fully restored, rewired, all the gauges are in. I'll just flip it to show you. There we go. It's been reskinned a few years ago. It's just been ready, waiting for me to install it. I've got new lenses on the gauges. That's why they look so reflective and clean. And they're just the original lenses. I just buffed them. There's only a few little scratches that came out okay. Oh, that's my topies, ready to be refurbished as well. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. I've never done wheels, despite the fact that I own so many of them. I've never really restored any. These are the 4.5 ones. They're not exactly a matching set, but they're all 1970s, so that's that. Otherwise, we are slowly getting there. What's next? I think more of the interior. Try and finish off the brakes. I just want to... Oh, there's the fuel tank up there. I just want to get this whole underside complete so I can just drop it and have it sit on the ground and concentrate, from the interior back. Although, as most of you know, when you're working on a project, you sort of start to pick and choose jobs as you feel, what you want to do. So, yeah. Hopefully 2020 is the year that we'll hear this car going. I'm not so sure about that. With kids it's quite difficult to find time. I'm on a bit of a roll at the moment, so I'm hoping that I can at least have it running by the end of the year. It would be nice. Well, thanks for watching, and whatever project you got going on, I hope you're making some progress.